We're sorry.
He's a bird. Trust me on the bird thing. Straight to your living room, and now each and every one of you knows that it's true. Scribbledy-bobbledy-boo, he can fly. What a guy, he's got a lot of friends. We'll swing on by. I tell you, there's a lot in store, and even more than you could possibly have ever imagined. Do you like pizza, laughing and games? There might be some of that, but I could be wrong. We're just the guys singing this song. If you think those things are rad, you will love Chad. That is the name of the AVANTIST bird. Turn off your brain. Get ready to answer another don't rain. By the time that it's over, you'll have been entertained. It's not overexposure, it's just fucking insane. I have always told you, but I'll say it again. Chad's a bird, 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 bird,
What up, Internet? If you'll indulge me for a moment, my name is Chad, I am a bird, and I'm live! I've been busy in the lockdown life, as you can see from the cutting-edge technology behind me. This wonder of Wi-Fi can blast a full 20 minutes of concentrated me directly into your desktop from anywhere in the world and probably from space. And I know what you're asking. Why? Wasn't the lockdown a peaceful place to reflect and reinvent yourself free from others' opinions and cares? Why would you want to return to the socials? And to that I say nay! No one had a moment to reflect in peace because y'all were doing it on the regular on Facebook. And don't think I didn't take note of all the dumb shit some of you were saying. Screen capture is a hell of a thing that I had to teach myself last year. But rest assured that I'm so tech savvy now, I'm practically on the Geek Squad. And I'm coming for you, humans, because it is clear from your aggregate posting in 2020 that you are malfunctioning. Except unlike the Geek Squad, I'm not going to show up dressed like a serial killer in the 1950s. I'm going to pink up your desktop. Because that's how I spent my COVID-19. Watching you, listening, taking notes, building this marvel of modern mainframes, and also learning how to steal all the Wi-Fi in my building. The thing is, it takes an insane amount of signal to get to you, so I kind of had to secretly pirate all of my neighbors' accounts, and I have to stream when nobody is on, otherwise I get booted faster than pink shots from a bachelorette. So I figured 10 a.m. on a Saturday is still too early for most humans to get up ever since 2020. Time is a suggestion. So we shouldn't have any problem getting this show going.
Check out old Crusher. What a night. Having a good time with the ladies, but the boys weren't having it, and they just clawed and clawed at him. But he clawed right back. Unfortunately, he started gnashing his teeth too, so now he has to wear this cone. How is he supposed to crush puss with that thing on? Spoiler alert, he's found a way.
Is this good right here? This is good? Okay, cool. I do live with this guy. That's my yellow-sided conure. His name's Piper, and we have been sheltering in place since mid-March.
Don't you fucking dare! What the fuck are you doing?
Well, I mean, like most people during this crazy time, we've been doing a lot of puzzles together.
Come back. Thank you, Piper. You're super helpful.
Stop it. Oh my fucking god.
You know, spending time together. Currently, he has taken the key off my keyboard, so...
I know what doors like. I know what doors need. I know what doors like. Doors like. Doors like keys. What the actual fuck? Like, how in the hell are people still up? The only way I would be up on a Saturday was if an actual tornado touched down outside my window, and then, even then, I would check to see what level it is. Seriously. So you get what I'm saying, though, right? Because, yeah, it's finally summer, but the AC is on, and I'm feeling safe. The idea of being in a social situation gives me more anxiety right now than watching a puppy play in a smelting plant. I see you all, though. Every status update now is, can't wait to do this IRL. Can't wait to hug everybody. Can't wait to smooch all the faces. And first off, consent is still a thing, even post-pandemic. Second off, excuse me if I'm not eager to get within your coughing distance, because y'all are selling some wild-ass opinions online throughout all of this. And what's worse is, you don't realize putting them on Facebook gives me the receipts. Yeah, the movies taught us that the apocalypse would be like a weird rugby joust for gasoline, but I got good at spreadsheets. So just know that all the dumb shit you've been saying has been categorized and organized by me. And like, I don't get where the knee-jerk spazzy fart you can't hold in so you let fly in church, scaring your parents and embarrassing everybody all at the same time opinions are coming from. If you would just take a baker's minute, Tiffany, to Google the thing you saw your match mention in their Bumble profile, then maybe you would know what a pescatarian was and would not have embarrassed yourself on a private Facebook post that we all saw.
Hello, and thank you for participating in my class. In today's yoga and meditation workshop, we will do a series of poses that will help you find stillness in your life. First, I'm going to give you a few health benefits that will make you feel confident in your decision to take this class. One health benefit is that when your trifling boyfriend cheats on you, you won't run straight to his house and break all his stuff. You won't break out all the windows to his car, and you can give yourself an extra reason to get out of bed in the morning. Yes. In yoga, there are the yamas and niyamas. And there are also the yamamas, as in back to your mama's house you go. Now, I just want to take a minute to meditate on just all the amazing things that are going on with us and just me and my life. And I'm just gonna breathe in and breathe out. Just feel that energy flowing through me. And I'm gonna meditate on the fact that my boyfriend left his credit card at my house, so I'm gonna have fun with that later. I'm gonna meditate on the knowledge that I was able to change all of his passwords. I changed his Netflix password. I changed all the passwords to everything he owns. Yes. And also I'm gonna meditate on the fact that I took the liberty to burn his entire car down, and the smell of the car is starting to make its way back inside. So I'm gonna tend to that and make sure that, everything's burnt down the way that I want it to be, and just gonna check on that. So thank you so much for checking out my class and just being there with me through it all, through all of this, all of these classes and everything that we've gone through together. So make sure if you haven't done it already, hit that subscribe button and hit a like, and make sure to follow me on everything that you can, because I'm gonna need your support. So thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day.
This is what you're doing with your time. I'm seeing you. So you can see what I'm saying, that getting back to connecting is going to be tough, right? I mean, I've talked to these people in the face. They're my neighbors. Fortunately, I have fine-tuned this amazing machine, developed solely through YouTube tutorials and Reddit threads, so that it will broadcast flawlessly in any situation, regardless of experience.
Yeah, we're lying on a pile of clothes, so what? Oh, I bet your place is immaculate. It isn't. Oh, it might be for company, but you've got that one area of your little place there that is a sty. We're just not ashamed to show it. Unlike some people I'm looking at right now. Isn't that right, Crusher? Crusher.
Wait. What am I doing? I don't need this. I can be social without the media.
Oh, hey, Luke.
Shut up, Phil!
Shit, ass. Come on, work. Oh, sorry. Okay, so it makes sense that I'm on edge right now, right? Because we all are. And it's because things are opening. Life is resuming. Everything is changing. And we already went through the biggest change in our collective history. We're all feeling the squeeze. A squeeze comes in a variety of flavors. Performance anxiety, presentation jitters, filling out a BuzzFeed quiz. No matter the type of squeeze, the sensations are always the same. The walls seem to close together. The air is a little tough to breathe. The sounds, even the most tiniest and usually unperceived, like typing, are chip bags. suddenly real fucking annoying. We got science to name those vibes. Claustrophobia, dyspnea, misophonia. Those are the three witches of panic attacks. And while their methods may seem wicked, they're actually just trying to help. It's fight or flight again, humans, because you're animals. Never forget that. I don't care how many followers you have on TikTok or that you invented microwave cleaning wipes. You're all hairy bags of farts and electric shocks, the same as the rest of us. Back in the day, things are a little less bright and technical, but you still had panic attacks. And it was because back then, a lot of the things in the world wanted to eat you. So you had to make an exit in a baker's minute if you wanted to survive. In order for your body to go into beast mode, you need more oxygen to your running muscles. And when that happens, your breathing quickens, your chest tightens, because that oxygen that normally hangs out there is being used elsewhere. And as you evolved, you kept that superpower. And even now, when you're just thinking about deadlines, your body does the same thing. It's a leftover from the before times because the classics never die. Nothing to fear. So before we all get to the bars and start breathing in each other's faces again, take a minute and remember that. Remember that those feelings, the feelings that you got to get back to your space, your cozy corner, your little DIY tower that you've been broadcasting from, are totally natural. Because even though we've lost track of time, time still exists. And it has been a long time since we got together. Indulge in that moment and remember it's all right. You made it. You don't got to do anything more than you need. And I think what we all need right now is a little lullaby to take us out. So let's use the power of this fully operational love machine to take us to Bethany Thomas.
Hi everybody. Hi friends of Chad. I'm Bethany Thomas, and I'm gonna do a little song. I'm gonna try to play it. I know everybody's kind of getting back out there. I'm getting back out there. I am out there living this life with the people. I was talking to a friend of mine just about like all the stuff that I'd been out doing, and she thought that was really cool and exciting, but she just wasn't there yet. You know, in her brain, she just wasn't feeling it yet. She wasn't feeling, you know, the invites that were coming her way, and she was wondering if, you know, there's something wrong with her because she just wasn't able to jump back in the way that some of us are. And no, there's nothing wrong with doing stuff at your own pace, especially right now. And it made me think of this song. It's an old Townes Van Zandt song called Don't You Take It Too Bad. So I'm gonna give that a shot for everyone who's really easing back into life here, because that's okay.
Don't you take it too bad, babe. If you're feeling unloving, if you're feeling unfeeling, if you're feeling alone, don't you take it too bad, 'cause it ain't you to blame, babe. It's only a game made out of all of this living that we got left to do. And if you go searching for a rhyme and for a reason, then we won't have the time that it takes just for talking about the places you've been, babe, and the faces you've seen, babe, and how soft the time flies. past your window at night. And we just can't help that, girl. It's a sad, lonesome, cold world. And someone needs someone to stand by his side and whisper sweet words in their ears about daydreams and roses and playthings and the sweetness of springtime and the sound of the rain.
What she said